all. Welcome to this session. Today we are going to see the topic on data preparation in machine learning. Data preparation in machine learning. Okay, right. Data preparation is the later stage of the ML life cycle. Later stage of the ML life cycle. So firstly, the data is collected from various sources. Data is collected from various sources. And later, garbage data is cleaned and transformed into real-time machine learning projects to uncover insights or make predictions. So machine learning also helps to find patterns in data to make accurate predictions. To make accurate predictions. And construct the data sets and transform the data correctly, right? In this topic, data preparation in machine learning, we will discuss various steps for data preparation in machine learning. Steps in data preparation and data pre-processing, data splitting, etc. So let's start with a quick introduction to data preparation in machine learning. First of all, what is data preparation? What is data preparation? Okay, data preparation is defined as a gathering, combining, cleaning, and transforming raw data. Transforming raw data to make accurate predictions in machine learning projects. So data preparation is also known as data pre-processing. So another names for data preparation are like data pre-processing and data wrangling. So like that, we have some names to the data preparation in machine learning. So it is the later stage of the machine learning life cycle, which comes after data collection. Okay, then data preparation is particular to data. The objectives of the projects and the algorithms that will be used in the data modeling techniques. So we have some prerequisites for data preparation. Prerequisites for data preparation. First one is data cleaning. So first one is data cleaning. In this data cleaning, this task includes the identification of errors and making corrections or improvements to those errors. And second one is feature selection. Feature selection. Right? We need to identify the most important or relevant input data variables for the model. Right? So that is feature selection. And third one is data transform. Third one is data transform. Data transformation involves converting raw data into a well-suitable format for the model. Right? And next one is feature engineering. Feature engineering. Right? In this, feature engineering involves deriving new variable from the available data set. And the next one is dimensionality reduction. So that is dimension reduction. Right? This dimension reduction process involves converting higher dimensions into lower dimension features without changing the information. Right. Now coming to the data preparation in machine learning. Data preparation is the process of cleaning and transforming raw data to make predictions accurately through using ML algorithms. Although data preparation is considered the most complicated stage in ML, it reduces process complexity later in real-time projects. Various issues have been reported during the data preparation steps, the machine learning as follows. So the thing is, first one is missing data. The data preparation. So first one is missing data. So missing data or incomplete records is a relevant issue found in most data sets. Instead of appropriate data, sometimes records contain empty cells or values or specific character such as question marks and etc. So that comes under missing data. And the second one is outliers. So outliers in machine learning algorithms are sensitive to the range and the distribution of values when data comes from unknown sources. So these values can spoil the entire machine learning training system and the performance of the model also. So hence it is essential to detect these outliers through techniques such as visualizations. Okay, that is second step. And after that we have unstructured data. Unstructured data format. Right, data comes from various sources and needs to be extracted into different formats. So hence, before deploying in ML project, always consult with the domain expert or import data from known sources. Okay. Then next one is limited features. So whenever data comes from a single source, it contains limited features. So it is necessary to import data from various sources for feature enrichment or build multiple features in data set. And next one is understanding feature engineering. Understanding feature engineering. Right? Features engineering helps develop additional content in the ML models, increasing model performance and accuracies in the predictions. Okay, right. So this is the data preparation steps in machine learning algorithms. Thank you.